We all know that the denim look is trending, so today I have 10 outfit inspirations for you. And by the way, you're never too old to still wear jeans. And what I'm going to be doing today, I've got my favorite pair of Lee stretchy jeans and a whole bunch of combinations to show you. So I'm quite excited about this, and let's get started. Now, you may remember from one of my social posts that I was invited to the world premiere of the documentary Lilith Fair. And I knew that, people like Sarah McLachlan were going to be there. And I knew the vibe also of Lilith Fair. So I thought to myself, you know what? I'm wearing a pair of jeans and I'm going to put together an outfit with a really cool kind of vibe, and it was such a good choice. It was so much better than wearing a ball gown, but because I really did fit right in. So let's take a look at how I put this outfit together. I started with my high-waisted Lee sculpting jeans that last time I checked were around $36 and come in regular, short, and tall sizes. My color here is Infinity. I like the dark wash because they're very slimming. I wanted to wear something to make me look like it fitted in with the rock star vibe, so this velvet and chiffon overcoat gave me kind of a Stevie Nicks kind of feel. And it's just $34. Under the coat, I'm just wearing a red Hanes camisole. And what about this Betsy Johnson necklace? You can take it home for about $48. And my red patent leather flats at $60 finished off the look. And they were oh so comfy for all the standing I was doing at the after party. And by the way, you can find most of the items that I'm modeling in the video description and also in the comments. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you're not only going to find my favorite fashions there, but we also have my favorite housewares and kitchen items as well. But for now, let's take a look at jean outfit number 2. So let's go from fancy to fun with this relaxed, casual look. I love this cable knit sweater that's just $39, but looks like it's a designer creation. And it's oh so soft and cuddly. I'm just wearing a cami underneath, but I certainly could wear a turtleneck if it was a cold day. I wanted to be comfy, so I put on my Skechers Martha Stewart slip-ins for just $64. And this color is olive, although there are 6 colors to choose from. And they also come in half sizes. If you haven't tried the Skechers slip-in shoes, you really are missing out on a comfort and easy on and off pair of shoes. And if you like styling videos like this, don't forget that there's a button down there. I would love for you to subscribe. And also don't forget to click on that notification bell so that the algorithm sends you out my videos. But for now, let's take a look at jeans outfit number 3. Let's mix it up a bit with this lovely quilted vest for just $38. This looks great with my white V-neck top, but it also adds another layer of warmth if you zip it up under any coat on those freezing temperatures. It's got such a cozy design. It comes in several colors, but I love the navy with the red piping. By the way, this comfy V-neck top is just $19. And if you're interested, these all-leather ankle boots from Lucky Brand are on sale last time I checked for $78. Sometimes we forget how practical a quilted vest can be, and that's why I wanted to include it in the mix. And don't forget to know your own measurements and also compare them with the size chart on everything that you order online. Also, it's really important that when you're ordering jeans, you know your inseam, because you need to know whether you're a short, a regular, or even a tall. But for now, let's take a look at inspiration number 4. I wanted to stick with the vests idea to give you another look with jeans. This time I have a silky long vest that's just $24 and available in 12 colors. I put a black top underneath and added a long necklace for a bit of pizzazz. I am still wearing my brown leather ankle boots, but this vest has a totally different vibe than the last outfit I showed. And don't forget to stay until the end of this video, where I'm going to have another inspirational message for you on how to bring up that attitude from drab to fab in your clothes as well. But for right now, we're on inspiration number 5. And let's dare to wear red with this beautiful lined blazer that last time I checked was on sale for just $42. With a crisp white silky shirt, this outfit is so chic and elegant, even if you're wearing your favorite pair of stretchy jeans. I added a fancy stretchy belt for just $12 and a great pair of faux suede ankle boots to finish off this classy look. And don't forget that I now have 2 YouTube channels. This one's for beauty and fashion, and the other one is for heart-to-heart inspirational messages, healthy lifestyles. There's even a few DIY projects there, so all you have to do is go on YouTube and search Age Empowered. But for now, let's take a look at jeans inspiration number 6. Let's keep it casual with another sweater inspiration. I am just wearing a stretchy white shirt under this beautifully knitted sweater for just $37. That's mostly cotton. I love the button detail, and this style of sweater is really trending right now. And notice how my Lee jeans can easily be rolled up to give another look. And once again, I'm wearing Skechers slip-in shoes, but this time in a sneaker version. And last time I checked, they were 24% off for just $58. This is a casual outfit that I can wear almost anywhere. And it's so comfy. It's as comfy as pajamas. And this pair of sneakers, they're as comfy as slippers. And for outfit inspirations number 7, 8, and 9, I thought I would just kind of change up the overtop for you so this video doesn't run too long. For change up number 7, instead of the run-of-the-mill blue jean jacket, let's change it out for this pretty and pink number from Wrangler for just $42. And by just removing this jacket, let's change the look completely with a faux suede moto jacket for $48. I picked the navy one for this video, but I also have it in a caramel color. And next, I keep this poncho in my car for those days when the daytime is hot, but the night cools down considerably. I could also keep it in a big handbag. It's just $24 and always available in the back seat if I ever need it. And just before I get into the next outfit inspiration, did you notice that this video is very much like a capsule wardrobe? And it's really a great way to kind of stretch your wardrobe, you know, from fun outfits, fancy outfits, and even kind of business casual. But let's take a look at my next outfit inspiration. I love wearing what they call a coat again. And this camel colored one for just $40 that goes up to 2XL gives a classy look to my jeans. I just have a blue cami underneath, but this outfit inspiration combines a pair of jeans with a classy yet so comfy overtop that it can also be mixed and matched with a dress or skirt. It's another wardrobe stretcher. Now, I'm not saying that a pair of jeans and a t-shirt aren't absolutely perfect for just hanging around the house, but I hope you could see that, you know, how you could just take a dark wash, stretchy pair of jeans and get so many outfit inspirations and bring you from drab to fab. These days you can certainly wear like a darker wash of jeans to almost anything, like I did to the TIFF after party. All you need to do is have a little imagination and a little bit of styling. And of course, the items that I show you in my videos, about 90% of them are very budget friendly and they're of good quality. And just before I finish this video, don't forget that in a few seconds, there's going to be a yellow screen pop up and you'll see me with a blue shirt. And if you click on that, you're going to go immediately to my new Age Empowered channel where, of course, I have heart-to-heart inspirational chats and also lifestyle ideas. Hey, I know sometimes we can get into a rut. But when you're looking at your wardrobe, bring those jeans a little closer to the front and put on a little bit of rouge and a little bit of lipstick, as my grandmother used to say, and start creating those great jean outfit inspirations. You know, we've been wearing jeans since we've been teenagers, right? And we can still rock them. And for me, that's just another way to be loving our age.